Hi there, Coach James. So how to use Myfitnesspal? It'll look slightly different. You'll be no doubt using your phone. So if you download the application to your phone, it's much easier than adding to the laptop. But maybe you want to do the laptop, so you would just log in obviously on the browser with the same login that you have. Now with Myfitnesspal, what this does is, more than anything, is gives you an idea of how many calories are in things. It doesn't need to be 100% accurate at this moment in time. So the way that I do this, the way that I use this, is if I type in, for instance, yogurt, Greek yogurt, and normally they come in the 200-gram tub, I very simply take about 4 scoops, let's say, and that takes me to half a tub. So when I go in here and it says 100 grams, I pick 100 grams of Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt will pretty much be the same. If it's a flavoured yogurt, then you would try and pick strawberry yogurt or a chocolate yogurt or vanilla yogurt, but try and stick to the plain yogurt if you're having yogurt for your breakfast, that is. But once you've done about a week of tracking your food in here, it becomes very easy. So for instance, you'll probably eat the same thing for breakfast all the time. And what you can do on, especially on your phone, there's an option just to slide across and pick the exact same breakfast. Once you do that over a week, within your phone, you'll see that there's an option to see what your weekly average calories is. Now, within the nutrition guide that I gave you with specific calories and protein target, you want to make sure that within the week, your average calories, let's say it's 2000, your average calories within Myfitnesspal for the week are within 100 to 200 calories within that target. So if you get to the weekend and your calories, let's say your calories are 2000, but you're then taking in 3000 calories on a Saturday, let's say maybe you're having a few extra drinks and you see that, and you record that, you'll see that your calories shoot too high. If that's taking you too far beyond your calorie target, then you're not going to see the results that you're looking for. One of the main reasons that I like men to start to look within Myfitnesspal is just to get an idea, because sometimes we eat something and we don't actually realise how many calories are in it, and then when we see it visually, it can, well, stop us in our track and think twice about maybe eating that again. Like, for instance, nuts are healthy, right? But when you see how many calories are in it, you then think about controlling those calories more. If you have 5 beers at the weekend, but then you see that's an extra 1,000 calories, which you'll never burn off from exercise, then you start to think a wee bit more about it. The reason why you have your nutrition guide with your exact calories, the visuals from the little food plates, and this, is to give you more accountability, it's to give you more levels of accountability. So do this, get used to seeing what your calories look like on a daily and a weekly basis. As I say, the first week can be a bit fidgety, but once you get used to it, it's very quick. It's very quick, and you just input the same foods, and then you get an idea that you're maybe shooting too high or too low in terms of your calories. So download Myfitnesspal, have a play about with it, start inputting your foods, and then it's going to help you get towards losing that 10 pounds by the end of the 60 days.